Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So, today we are going to discuss our next chapter, that is physical fitness. Okay, so different people have different point of view about this physical fitness. Okay, a common man, to have a good physique is a symbol of physical fitness. According to a doctor, the proper functioning of all physiological system or of all physiological organs, that is his physical fitness. Okay, so the physical fitness is a simple term, but it has a wide meaning. So physical fitness of a common person, that means it is the capacity or the ability to do our daily work or our routine work without any lethargy or without any kind of fatigue or exertion, and after doing that work, that man has the power to do some more work, okay, without any recover means without any lethargy and all. So here some definitions are given, according to David or Lamb, physical fitness is the capacity to meet the present and the potential physical challenges of life with success. Next, according to Don Hoskins, the human body's ability to move with the desired speed, balance, agility, and strength that gain through the proper exercise and nutrition. So we can say that physical fitness is the ability to function effectively and also efficiently. Okay, to enjoy our leisure, to be healthy, to resist all kind of disease, and to cope up with emergency situations. Okay, so physical fitness varies according to the nature of work, according to individuals mental health, individual size, shape of the body, age, sex means female or male, so it generally depends. Okay, so for the physical fitness, we require the efficient motor function means our body movement, and efficient organic mechanism, and efficient mental functioning also. Now what is the importance of this physical fitness? Okay, so there are different kind of importance, so let's see what are those. First is helpful in improving the level of sports performance. So physical fitness, no doubt, is helpful for improving the level of sports performance. Like in different types of sports, they require different types of components of physical fitness. In different sports, they require different type of or different level of physical fitness. For example, in case of short put, the requirement of huge strength, explosive strength, is more essential than endurance. So without physical fitness, it is difficult to enhance the sports performance. So it is very important to improve the level of sports performance. Next, helpful in learning motor skills. Okay, so if you have the good physical fitness, then you can learn the motor skills easily. Generally, each component of physical fitness is essential in learning the motor skills, like the strength, speed, then cooperative abilities. But flexibility is more important in learning such skills, like swimming. If you want to learn breaststroke, means it is a type of swimming. Okay, so flexibility in your shoulder joints is very essential, and obviously that will come from physical fitness. Next, helpful in preventing sports injuries. A good level of physical fitness is very helpful in preventing the occurrence of sports injuries, right? So the flexibility is one of the components of physical fitness, which plays a significant role in preventing different kind of injuries that we got during any kind of sport. So due to strength, the ligaments can bear more weight, and it has more strength, and as a result, the chances of injury will be very less. Next is helpful in saving energy. So physical fitness is also very helpful in saving energy. However, the players who has a good level of physical fitness, they can do the sports activity by putting expenditure of energy, means lot of energy. So in fact, due to this physical fitness, various systems of body become so efficient that they require less energy in performing various activities. So physical fitness is also very helpful in saving energy. Next is improving the immunity power. So good physical fitness is helpful to improving our immunity. Okay, so those persons who have good immunity power, generally they do not fall to ill to various diseases. So in fact, physical fitness makes the immune system stronger and more efficient. Okay, next, helpful in maintaining good posture. So good physical fitness also helped in maintaining good posture. So if our muscle strong, if it is remain capable of act against the gravitational force, and as a result the postural deformity will not occur. It develops good posture. Helpful in remaining active. So appropriately to remain active in each sport is necessary. Whenever we are doing any kind of sports, we have to be more active and more efficient to the sports. So generally it is observed that those sportsmen who are physically fit, they remain active in comparison to the sportsmen who are less physically fit. And the helpful in managing the stress and tension, and also helpful in recovery. So it is a well-known fact that due to overstress and tension, sportsmen cannot perform well in sports. It can be any kind of sports. So each sportsman has different level of stress bearing capacity and tension. So good physical fitness improve the capacity to bear more stress and tension. Okay, so physical fitness does not only help in maintaining stress and tension, but depression and anxiety also, and as a result the level of sports performance is improved owing to appropriate management of stress and tension. Okay, and helpful in recovery. Whenever sportsmen fall prey to disease, or they got some injuries during playing, so it generally recovers soon after their disease or injuries. Okay, so at last we can say that the physical fitness is really important, not only for the sportsman but also for us, for a common man also. Okay, so that's it.